We're going to show you how to make a small kitchen look bigger and more spacious, whether you're dealing with a tiny apartment kitchen or a cozy cottage space. These tips will help you maximize every inch. First up, let's talk about wall colors. Light and bright colors can work wonders in making a small kitchen feel larger. Opt for soft hues like white, cream, light gray, or pastels. These colors reflect light, creating an open and airy atmosphere. Additionally, using glossy or satin finishes on your walls can further enhance the light reflective properties, making the space feel even more expansive. Next, consider painting all your cabinets in the same color as your walls or in a complementary shade. This visual continuity eliminates visual clutter and makes the space appear seamless and cohesive. Another trick is to choose cabinets with minimal hardware or concealed handles to maintain a streamlined look and avoid drawing attention to the cabinet doors. Now, let's discuss strategic cabinet placement. To open up the kitchen visually, avoid overcrowding walls with cabinets. Instead, focus on placing cabinets strategically to maximize storage without overwhelming the space. For example, you can install tall cabinets or pantry units in areas that don't interfere with the natural flow of the kitchen, such as along one wall or in a corner. For a more open and spacious feel, you might even consider removing upper cabinets altogether and replacing them with open shelves. This not only creates an illusion of space, but also allows you to showcase your favorite kitchen items and add personality to the room. Just be mindful of keeping the shelves organized and clutter-free to maintain the airy look. Last, but certainly not least, maximize natural light in your small kitchen. Natural light instantly makes a space feel larger and more inviting. Keep window treatments minimal or opt for sheer curtains to let the light flood in. You can also consider adding reflective surfaces like mirrors or glass backsplashes to bounce light around the room and amplify its effects. And there you have it, our tips for making a small kitchen look bigger. By using light colors, strategic design elements, and maximizing natural light, you can transform even the coziest kitchen into a spacious and stylish oasis. Experiment with these ideas to find the combination that works best for your space and enjoy the benefits of a larger looking kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design tips and tricks.